So this is reading is coming from the RTC DS1307 uh, and so you can see that if I reset the controller, the time will be reset. So I have just pressed the reset button, so you can see the time is resetted to the time that I have set in the microcontroller, and after that it is incrementing 1 second at a time. And this RTC TS1307 stores date and the day of the week. So you can see that it is now saying that it is Tuesday, which I have programmed. So it starts from the Tuesday and then go beyond that, and then it is giving us the time, you can see. And here is the main program. So at the top we have the header files, then we have the write location. So first we have to initialize the master. Here I have put the prescaler and then the prescaler to 64, and then the bitrate setting to about 127, and this formula is used to calculate the SCL frequency. You just have to set the TWBR register and TWSR registers, and then you have to create some functions which are I2C start, repeated start, stop, start wait, and all these functions. And in the main function you have to create, first you have to initialize your TWI init master, and then you here you will start the I2C communication, giving it the device address which is the 0xD0, and then you select the register where you want to write the data, and then after that you will send the data, and these are all sequential. And if you see the data sheet of DS1307 and go to page number 8 under clock and calendar settings, you will find that there are 7 registers address that you need to take account. So if you want to set seconds, so you are going to send the data at 00H location, whose first bit is clock halt, and then 7th bit is clock halt, and from 0, these are all BCD, so it goes from 0 to 9, and these are all. So this is the program, and you can visit exasub.com if you want to see the further explanations. Thank you.